in this particular video, we will look into two systems present in cockroach. The first is respiratory system and the second is circulatory system. So, talking first about the respiratory system. So, cockroach has small holes which are present on lateral side of the body, and these holes are called as spiracles. So, let us try to look into the structure. So, if the cockroach body is shaped like this, so on the lateral sides, so this is one lateral side, this is other lateral side, so there will be 10 apertures which will be present on this side, and there will be 10 apertures which will be present on other lateral side. So in total there will be 10 pairs of spiracles which will be present. Now these spiracles, which are the openings in the body, these will be regulated by sphincters. So function of sphincters is that when air needs to go inside, these sphincters will open, but when air is not passing in or out, these sphincters will remain closed and will prevent unwanted substances from entering the body of cockroach. After these apertures or holes, which are called as spiracles, there are tubes present which are called as trachea or tracheoles. Now these trachea or tracheoles will be attached to these spiracles. Let us say that it is one spiracle. Now to this opening, the pipe will be which will be attached. This will be called as trachea. Now this trachea will divide and subdivide into tracheoles, and it will reach till each tissue, each cell of the body. So we can say that trachea and tracheoles are thin branching tubes, and these will carry oxygen to all parts of the body. Similarly, they will take out CO2 from body to the outside surface. Now, exchange of gases will take place as tracheoles, and it will occur by the process of diffusion. Now, such a structure is important in cockroach because in cockroach there is no respiratory pigment which is present, and if respiratory pigment is absent, then air has to be transported to each tissue, and the same function is performed by the tracheoles. This is the respiratory system. After respiratory system, moving to the next system, that is circulatory system. Now the circulatory system in the case of cockroach is open type. It will be divided into three parts. The first part will be the blood vessels, which will be poorly developed as it is open type of circulatory system. The second part will be the heart, and the third part will be the blood or hemolymph which will flow in circulatory system. Now talking about the blood vessels, these blood vessels are poorly developed and will open into the body cavity or space which is called as hemocoel. So all this space will be part of hemocoel which will be present here. Second part is the heart. Now the tubular structure, this yellowish structure which we are seeing here, it is actually the heart of cockroach. Heart in the case of cockroach is neurogenic. Neurogenic means impulses will be generated from the brain. It lies mid-dorsally. So what is the meaning of mid-dorsally? So let us try to understand from this particular diagram. If this is the body of cockroach, so upper surface, this will be dorsal surface, and bottom surface will be ventral surface. Now this particular heart or elongated muscular tube, this is present on the dorsal side. So this particular tube will be present something like this, that is it will be present dorsally and it will be at middle end. So we say that it lies mid dorsally. Now this particular heart, it will never enter the head. So it will be present in thorax part and it will be present in abdomen part. We can see in this diagram also that this heart has not entered the head. It is from thorax to the abdomen. Talking of the number of chambers which are present, Then this elongated tube has 13 chambers in all. Each chamber's shape is funnel shaped, and the first chamber is called as anterior aorta. If we see this particular chamber, we can say that this is the shape of a particular chamber. Now, this chamber has two apertures. So, one pair of aperture will be present in each of this particular funnel shaped structure, and these structures are called as ostia. So, in this diagram, we can say that ostia will be present like this, like this. So, two ostia in every chamber. Now, function of ostia is that blood enters from this hemocoel or sinuses inside heart with the help of these ostia. So, blood will be coming in and it will be going to the forward part. So, blood will come like this inside and it will move anteriorly, and from here it will again come back, and that is how circulation happens in the case of cockroach. Blood is called as hemolymph. The blood does not have any respiratory pigment, and that is why we can say it has colorless plasma, and the cells are called as hemocytes. All the visceral organs of cockroach are bathed in this particular hemolymph. There are muscles which are called as ellery muscles which are present. So the triangular muscles that we see here, these fan shaped or triangular muscles, these are the ellery muscles, and ellery muscles help in the circulation of hemolymph. So we can say that circulation of hemolymph will occur with the help of heart, and ellery muscles will help heart in the circulation of hemolymph.